Hello students, welcome back. This is my revision lecture of chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery of Footprints Without Feet, and chapter 2 of English Grammar, Determiners. This is class 10th, subject English, chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery, and chapter 2, Determiners from your grammar book. So today we are going to revise these two chapters. First of all, we will read the summary of A Triumph of Surgery. Then we will discuss determiners and its kinds. Summary of chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery. This story has been written by James Herriot. The subject of this story is a pet dog which is spoiled by its owner. The owner indulges her dog so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has been taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. Already we have read this chapter and we read about Tricky and its mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, is a very rich woman who has pampered Tricky by overfeeding him. So as a result of it, the dog has become seriously ill and abnormally fat. So therefore the doctor tells Mrs. Pumphrey that her dog needs surgery and ends up keeping the dog with him for a few days. The dog is left with all other dogs there at surgery so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and becomes hale and hearty, means he becomes fit and healthy. Apparently, this is a simple story with simple subject. But if we try to read between the words, the story has much significance for our life as well. You will see many kids who are overweight and spoiled because their parents just try to meet every demand of the kid. So the kid develops into a couch potato, means the kid becomes lazy, which is not good for his life. So Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich and emotional lady, had a cute pet called Tricky. She loved him very much and took proper care of the pet. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic. When Dr. Harriet saw the fat dog like a blotted sausage, he was shocked. He told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed treatment for an ailment which was possible only in the hospital, and the doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would not be able to keep the dog on a proper diet. So at last the dog was taken to the hospital and there he was given food at fixed intervals. Soon he shed off a lot of his body weight and became quite active. When Tricky was at home, he was pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. He had a luxurious life when he was served with cream, cakes, chocolates and Horlicks. But when he came to the doctor, he became all right. So this was all about Tricky and its mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey loved Tricky a lot. That's why she could not live without her pet. Now let us discuss about determiners. Let us revise it. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun or noun phrase to clarify if the noun is specific or general. Or we can say that determiner is a word which limits or fixes the meaning of a noun. For example, Ram is my friend. Here, my is a determiner. I have a pet. A is determiner. So now let us move to its kinds. Kinds of determiners. First, articles. These are articles a, an, and the. Then next, numerals. In numerals, we have 1, 2, 3, first, second, each, every. These are examples of numeral determiners. Numeral determiners are further divided into three parts. First is definite numerals, second indefinite numerals, and third one is distributive numerals. Then third is possessive. In possessive, my, our, his, her, your, their, its. These are the examples of possessive determiners. Then we have demonstrative. This, that, these, those. These are the examples of demonstrative. Fifth is quantitative. Much, little, enough. These are examples of quantitative. Then next is interrogative. Quantitative determiner show how much of a thing is meant. And next is interrogative. In interrogative, we have which, whose, and what. So these are kinds of determiners. Now let us discuss all these kinds. Articles. Articles are among the most common of the determiners. There are three singular articles, a, an, and the. Articles specify or determine which noun the speaker is referring to. A and an are indefinite articles. There are two kinds of articles, indefinite and definite, and are used when you are talking about a general version of the noun. Means these are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to a particular person or thing. The next is definite article. The is definite articles. So these are examples. Definite article refers to a particular person or thing. So examples are a dog is a good pet. An ostrich would beat a chicken in a race. He is the most intelligent student in the class. If we talk about the uses of indefinite articles and definite articles, a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. And the is used with a noun of which there is only one example in the given situation, or it is also used before the superlative degrees of adjectives. It is also used before the words which show nationality and religion like the Indian, the French, the Hinduism. And the is also used before an adjective to represent a class like the rich means the rich people. The hungry, it means hungry people. So these are the uses of articles. Next is quantifiers or quantitatives. Quantitatives determiners are the determiners which mention the quantity of a noun. For example, much, all, little, any. So quantifiers are determiners that indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. They include words such as all, little, and any. For example, he took all the books. So here all is quantifier. She showed Much patience. Here much is a quantifier. I ate some rice. Here some is also telling us quantity. Then the whole sum was expended. Whole is here a quantifier. Next is possessives. When referring to a noun that belongs to someone or something, you can use possessive determiners to show ownership. Possessive determiners include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, where is your car? The dog growled and showed its teeth. My best friend is a cat. Which one is his house? Honesty is her best quality. So here, your, its, my, his, her. These are examples of possessive determiners. Next is demonstrative. Demonstratives are used in a situation in which the speaker can point to the item they mean, making them even more specific than a definite article. For example, do you want this piece of chicken? These mangoes are sour. He wanted those boys to go away. So this, that, these, those, these are examples of demonstrative. This and these refer to items nearby. That and those refer to items far away. Note also that this and that are singular, while these and those are plural. Next is interrogatives. As the term implies, the interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. The three examples of interrogatives are what, whose, and which. So these are some sample sentences. These are some examples. What toppings do you want for your frozen yogurt? Which school do you prefer? And whose baby are you watching? Next is numerals. Numerals are determiners which mention the number of noun. In this position, cardinal numerals express quantity like 1 book, 2 books, or 20 books. In the same position, ordinal numerals express sequence like first impression, second chance, and third prize. Like these numerals are divided into three parts. Definite numeral determiners. These refer to a definite or exact number like 1, 3, 20, 4. And definite numerals are further divided into cardinals and ordinals, as in example it is given cardinals and ordinals. In ordinals we see that it tells sequence first, second, third, and in cardinal such words are used before countable nouns like 1 book. So book is countable. Then indefinite numerals determiners. The indefinite numerals, these are indefinite number of a noun, and examples are like many, few, a few, the few, and some, any, several, all. And third kind of numeral determiners is distributive numeral determiners. The determiners which indicate one thing or person out of whole group or class are called distributive numeral determiners. For example, each student was rewarded. Every man must do his duty. So here each, every, neither, either, these are the examples of distributive numeral determiners. So these are the kinds of determiners. So today we have revised chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery, and determiners as well. So your homework is to read and revise these chapters carefully and solve the assignment based on chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery, determiners, poem 1 and 2 that we have already done. Poem 1 is Dust of Snow, second is Fire and Ice, and notice writing also we have done. So this assignment is uploaded in homework column on Adquark site. So you are supposed to solve this assignment. Thank you.